Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with a clean, moisturized base. You want skin hydrated, not slippery. Once done, pump or squeeze 0. 5 psi of Elf Peach Color Corrector onto the back of your hand. This amount avoids overcoverage. Dab with a small synthetic brush or fingertip directly onto dark spots, under-eye blue, or sallowness. Targeted placement matters. Make sure to tap, not drag. Tapping deposits pigment where you need it. The Y, thinner. Layered application prevents caking and blends seamlessly under foundation. Now you move into blending and controlled layering. Use a damp half sponge or a small dense brush to lightly press the peach corrector outward until edges feather. This avoids stark borders. Once blended, pause 10-20 seconds to let the product set slightly. This prevents shifting when you add foundation. If more coverage is needed, apply a second thin layer, tapping and waiting again. Remember why? Peach neutralizes blue-purple under eyes, so place it only where those tones exist to keep skin looking natural. To finish, apply your foundation sparingly over the corrected zones. Press with a damp sponge to meld layers instead of wiping them away. Make sure to set just the corrected areas with a finely milled translucent powder. Use 1 to 2 light taps to avoid dulling the peach. If you see creasing or heaviness, do this troubleshooting step. Gently remove excess with a clean sponge, wait 20 seconds, then apply a smaller 1/3 layer and reset. That single trick fixes most application issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.